Open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for driver software. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select High Definition Audio Device. Press Next. Press Yes. Now close the window and restart. Press Yes. If that didn't work, first open Start and type Settings. Open Settings. Click on System. Click on Troubleshoot. Click on Other Troubleshooters. In Playing Audio, press Run. Wait for your audio to be repaired. If that didn't work, open Start and type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Select your audio device. Select Set as Default. If that didn't work, right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab. Select Disable all enhancements. Press Apply and then OK. Press OK. If that didn't work, open Start and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device. Click on Properties. Open the Driver tab. Click on Uninstall Device. Press Uninstall. Now restart.